Hi everyone, happy Saturday. So I can barely talk. I want to show you some fun little hacks that I do with the charcoal mask. So the charcoal mask looks like this, and it's great to clean out your pores. As you can see, it lays in there, so then once I rub this off, it will deep clean my skin. It's great for acne, oily skin, combination skin. It's wonderful. So it looks like this. Okay, so here's some of my hacks. I have it all over. I even have it on my lips, so it's great exfoliator for my lips. We have it right now, this one in a bag. So cut it open. Any product from Beauty Counter, you want to cut open because there is a lot of product left in there, okay? And then just put it in the bag, and this will probably give you like a whole nother 2 or 3, maybe 4 applications, so don't waste. And then me and my girls like to put it on with a brush, so you just scoop it out and you just kind of pellet it on like that, okay? It goes on wet like that, so it's darker. As it dries, it gets more gray, and you can actually feel your face really getting really tight. All right, so you can just wash it off with a rag and it will come off. Or I like to use this hack. A lot of you have the cleansing balm. This is a balm, a big jar, and it's a multi-purpose. So if you have dry lips, dry skin, eczema, rosacea, this is wonderful for that, okay? And it brightens your skin. So this can be used by itself as a cleanser, and then you can put some more on as an overnight mask, or it's great with this charcoal mask. So you just take like a pea size, probably need a little bit more for the mask. So you take about that much, a little bit goes a long ways. And this jar, we call it our face crack, because it's really, once you try it, you're addicted. It's great for any kind of skin, okay? So I'm rubbing it on, and I don't know if you can hear it. It's you can hear it gritty back and forth. So I'm actually exfoliating my skin. It's gonna feel amazing. So yeah, I do need a little bit more on top. So that just pushes the product, the charcoal mask, into my skin even more. Okay, all right, so now that it's wet, I just wanna make sure I get it all over. It's not on my hands, it's still my face. So I like to warm up 2 rags because it usually takes 2 to wash this off. And see how it just comes off really nice. Okay, so once you kind of roll it around, take it off, your skin is going to be brighter because it has like green tea extract, conklin clay. It's not a mask that you peel. It's one that you actually rub off. Okay, all right. So now that you kind of get the base of it, you gotta make sure that you go around here, because sometimes you can get your hair and it looks really goofy if you go anywhere. Okay, all right, it feels really good. So the next step that's important is the step after. So now that you detoxed your skin, it's kind of like a cleanse. You want to make sure that if you do a cleanse for a couple days, you're not going back to your old habits of sugar and processed food, right? Your body's not gonna like you for that. Well, the same thing when you detox your face with the charcoal mask. You want to make sure that what you put back on first is the most important, and looks great, doesn't it? And it's gonna be the superfoods for your skin. So I'm gonna talk about our face oil next, and that is something that I love to pair with the charcoal mask, just because it has essential oils in it, and a little bit goes a long ways. Like, it just feels like super squeaky clean, and you gotta make sure you get it all. Okay, this is great for rosacea too, because you're pulling out the inflammation in your skin. So if you are, of anybody that deals with inflammation. Okay, so this is the product I like to put on next. This is our face oils. We actually have 3 of them. 1 is brightening, 2 is plumping, like if you have really dry skin, and 3 is balancing. So if you do have rosacea, acne, let's see, or sensitive skin, you want 3. So you literally just take a few drops, and it's bright. So this is the brightening one, the number 1. So it's really bright yellow. It's gorgeous, and it smells so good. So you take, like, we'll just do 2 drops because you really don't need much. And you press it into your hands, and then you press it all into your skin. Like, you don't want to ever try to rub your skin. You did a pretty heavy detox, so you want to just make sure you put the superfood in your, press it in, okay? So now that you have that, it doesn't lay on top of your skin. It has really small oil molecules, so it soaks right in, okay? And then the next one I'm gonna do is my C serum. My C serum is a must. I absolutely love that. If you have never tried this, let me know. I have samples. Actually, I have samples of the charcoal mask, the brightening oil, and the C serum. And this one is great. This is brand new. If you have pigmented skin, like if you have uneven skin tones, or if you want to just brighten up your skin, this one is perfect for that. If you want to keep that bronzy look all winter long, because it's just started snowing outside today here in Iowa, it's great for that. As you can see, it just picked up the highlights in your skin. So age spots, it's also really good for acne too, the vitamin C. So this is also free as a host reward. So it's a $79 product that you can get for free, okay? And then I'm just gonna finish it with my favorite moisturizer, which is the Counter Match. I have combination skin, oily and dry, and this lays really, really nice underneath my makeup. I'm actually not gonna do makeup today because it's a cleaning day here on Saturday. Gotta get all my kids up so they help me clean. And you just take that and you just go right over your skin, and it's super light. This is the first moisturizer I found that's super light, and it's not heavy, and it just blends really, or it soaks in really fast, and I can whip my foundation on right when I'm done. All right, so let me know if you want some samples. I have some. I can work on that, and I can send them to you in the mail, but that's kind of my Saturday tip. One thing I like to do is I also have a sample of this, the overnight peel. I did this last night. It's a serum, so I just washed my face. Thanks, Stacy. Washed my face and put the serum on and went to bed. And so this morning, as my face was peeled, it's usually more oily. That's when I like to do the mask, because that's like a really deep detox, okay? All right, well, happy Saturday. Let me know, just DM me. And if you want samples, I'm here. So, all right, have a good day.